What is this? Work equipments. What is this? Hand drill. What is this? Wrench. What is this? Paint roller. What is this? Clutch hand screwdriver. What is this? Drill vise. What is this? Gasket. What is this? Broom. What is this? Bucket. What is this? Carpenter. It is also called foot planer. What is this? Nut. What is this? Cable tester. What is this? Electric fan. What is this? Electric car. What is this? Stapler. What is this? Stapler pin. What is this? Sandpaper. What is this? Garden fork. What is this? Utility knife. What is this? Safety pin. What is this? Tap. What is this? Screwdriver. What is this? Spanner. What is this? Scissor. What is this? Adjustable spanner. What is this? Toolbox. What is this? Pocket knife. What is this? Coping saw. What is this? Wire pin. What is this? Butt screw. What is this? Ruler. What is this? Battery. What is this? Center punch. What is this? Key. What is this? Bulb. What is this? Vacuum cleaner hose. What is this? Cloth pin. What is this? Flashlight. What is this? Rope. What is this? Swiss Army knife. What is this? Gloves. What is this? Hand puncher. What is this? C-clamp. What is this? Single wheel trolley. What is this? Tweezer. What is this? Anvil. What is this? Hacksaw. What is this? Magnet. What is this? Metal hose. What is this? Brooch. What is this? Ball bearing. What is this? Conger. What is this? Needle. What is this? Coiled metal spring. What is this? Wooden ladder. What is this? Chunky. What is this? Snatch block, and it is also called pulley. What is this? Pliers. What is this? Tape measure. What is this? Rake. What is this? Hoe. What is this? Shovel. What is this? Plunger. What is this? Wooden hammer mallet. What is called? Sander. What is called? Crowbar. What is this? Reaper. What is this? Pedestal. What is this? Stepladder. What is this? Scaffold. What is this? Alternator voltage regulator. What is this? Chisel. What is this? Label.